This is how you're going to preview app on Base44. So first you're going to head over to app.base44.com, and then from here you're going to click on apps where you can find all of the projects that you currently have. So I have 3 available projects right here, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to choose the project that you want to preview. So for example, we want to preview a state flow. We're just going to click on that. So just click on the app of your choice, and then it will take us to our dashboard or the preview. Now the automatic it will automatically take us to the preview section of our website already. So once you head on preview tab right here, this is already your site when you have it on live. Now if you want to like alter this, you can just click on dashboard right here, but again you can just access your preview just from here. You can see this from the top navigation bar to see the live version. Now if you want to view your site as a user, you can just click on act as a user right here, and then you will be able to preview it as a user. Or if you're the one using this one and not the admin, you can click on anything that you want. You can click on properties, deals, whatever. You can add new task if you want, since you're again acting as a user. And that's it. That is how you can preview your app on Base44. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.